This is Anna. You've passed your driving test.
I have passed my driving
at
test.
Shirley Driving Test Centre, which we're going to have a look at in a minute. How was it?
It was good. I really enjoyed it.
How many minors?
4.
4 minors? Great,
Yeah.
That's what I got when I passed my L test. So you're basically as good as a driving instructor.
I'm a pro.
Yeah. So we're going to go and have a look at the driving test centre and then we'll have a drive around the route that you did.
Yes.
Let's go. All right, let's check out Shirley Driving Test Centre. And we're already off to a chaotic start. No car park. Nope, you just have to play parking roulette outside the shops and pray that some bloke in a white van doesn't trap you in forever just as you're about to head off with the examiner. As for the test centre itself, it's basically the corner shop of driving test centres. No mystery, no adventure. You won't have to play Where's Wally with the entrance because it's clearly marked. But once you step inside, oh boy, it's a tiny, pokey little room with just enough space for you, your nerves, and a deep sense of regret. And then the final insult, no toilets, none. At this point, it's a tradition, but that doesn't make it any less devastating. If you've got pre-test nerves and a full bladder, your only option is to channel that energy into a faultless drive or an emergency stop for completely different reasons. Come for a driving test. Where do they go toilet?
Just, there isn't one in here, but there's at the BP petrol station, there's an
Oh, so you take everyone in there?
Unfortunately, yes.
Yeah, it's inconvenient, but I guess it works. Yeah. Why does Shirley have no toilets? What's wrong with Shirley?
It's evil.
We're going to give it a very low score for that because that's not acceptable. 1, is that not fair?
2.5.
2.5, fair. I like your thinking because there's no toilet, it's just not acceptable. Hopefully, Shirley will redeem itself on a very lovely and easy route. You've been there before.
Yes.
Ready to show me round?
I am.
I will also say though, that the facilities are getting a really low score, but the examiners are bloody lovely. One collared me outside the test centre and was like, I'll watch your TikToks. It's so nice. He was actually really nice.
He was
and your
really
examiner
nice.
was really nice as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, big up Sam. I'd love to get Sam on a driving test. Sounds like a right laugh. This is the start of your driving test.
Yes.
This is tricky. Okay, and then straight out onto a roundabout.
Yeah.
Double tricky. The examiner did say, good luck, there's some tricky bits. Weren't lying, bro. Did you think it was tricky, or was it all right?
It's all right.
Oh, was it okay? Fine.
Then turn left.
Well done for remembering your exact route, because you sent it to me and I was like, yeah, we'll drive your route instead of the route that I
It's
found
quite
online.
good picture memory.
Do you? Oh, that's really useful. If I show you something, you just remember what's in it. Like a
Try
picture.
to. Yeah.
Oh, wow. I wish I could do that. Is that like a skill that you've developed, or you're just good at memory?
I'm just good at
200 yards,
remembering
turn
pictures.
left, then take the
Less
second
things,
left.
other things less so though.
And you passed 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks. Is this PTSD coming back, or did you have a good time?
I had a good time.
Okay. Do you remember what your examiner's name was?
Turn left,
Matt.
then take
Matt.
the second
Okay.
left.
If you're at Shirley, Matt's a great examiner, so is Sam, and I don't know the others.
I don't know the others.
Of course you don't, because you passed first time. Do you know what I'm so surprised about? How nice Birmingham is. Look at this. Look at this. It's just a really nice suburban street.
After 100 yards, turn left, then turn right.
And you actually live in Birmingham, right?
Yes.
How do you find it? Because you're not from Birmingham.
Turn
No.
left.
It's
then
good. It's
turn
nice.
Right.
Nice and busy. Lots of things to do.
Yeah. What are you doing in Birmingham?
I am at uni doing geology and physical geography.
Thank you for coming and hanging out with me.
Oh, thanks for
and
having
showing
me.
me your test route. This is so nice. This is what I find in everybody's so nice and friendly and helpful in Birmingham. Blows my mind. Although you're not from Birmingham.
No.
Guess where Anna's from the accent? I couldn't do it, to be honest. Where are you from?
I'm from Warrington,
What's Warrington like?
between Manchester and Liverpool, and it's big, but it's not got much going on.
Oh, really? Is that why you came to Birmingham?
Yeah,
More fun, more stuff to
lots
do.
more fun.
After 200 yards, cross the roundabout and take the second exit, then turn right.
Is the main reason that you're doing this because your friends don't trust you with the car?
Part of the
So
reason.
you can show them. I've actually driven here from Anna's house to the test centre, which was how long? About 20 minutes?
About 20 minutes, yeah.
And are sick at driving. Watch this. This is how you need to drive to pass a driving test. You've not driven since your driving test, right?
No.
So this is the standard of driving that you must have had
Cross
on your
the
driving
roundabout
test.
and take the second exit, then turn right.
For all of Anna's friends, shush, she's sick. And for everybody else, watch Anna, this is how you drive. This is how you bloody drive. This is going to be a masterclass. We were just hanging out, chatting all the way here. I didn't have to help you once. Oh, actually I did. I had to touch the steering wheel.
Oh, that doesn't count.
That bridge was mega narrow.
Turn right.
The one thing that I say that's really good about your driving, well, there's lots of things, but the main thing that I think that you're absolutely exceptional at is planning ahead. When you see a hazard coming up, you'll see that Anna responds to it so quickly and so in advance that there's never going to be a problem. I feel safe in the car with you.
Good, thank you.
For your friends, I feel safe in the car with Anna. Who are your friends that don't trust you? Do you want to shout them out and tell them to shush?
It's Hannah, my course mate and housemate, and, well, all my housemates, don't really. And then Sophie, one of my course mates.
And they don't trust your
And they
driving?
don't trust my driving.
Wrong. You're all wrong, guys.
They always say to stay off the roads when I'm about.
So rude. So rude. And they don't even drive. Do they drive?
They do drive.
Okay, fine.
But
Look at this, the chillest place. Shirley is the chillest place. Imagine taking a test here. How can you go wrong? What did you get your 4 minors for?
I got one for stalling,
Oh, fair.
one for adjusting my park
On a bay park.
on a forward bay park.
Oh, fair.
yeah.
Okay.
One for not checking my mirrors when I was slowing down.
Oh, mean. That's quite harsh.
And then the other one was I got too close to a parked car.
Oh, fair. Not that close though. That it was
No.
a safety issue. Otherwise, it
didn't-
would have been a foul.
He didn't flinch.
Can you remember what show me, tell me questions you got?
Demissed the front windscreen.
Easy.
Turn right,
And
then
then-
take the third left.
How do you know the headlights and tail lights are working?
Oh, that's probably the easiest
I was
question.
very happy to get those two.
Yeah. Oh, it's like we're driving through the woods. Okay, Shirley's going to get a really good area score, right? It has to, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your best advice for anyone else taking their driving test now you've gone through it
Ooh.
once?
Don't overthink it. It's less of a big stress than everyone makes it out to be.
Oh, 100%. Yeah, that's totally true.
It's just like another driving lesson, but
Yeah.
someone else.
What was your perception of the test versus after you passed it?
It was. I definitely was thinking why was I stressing about it so much.
Yeah. Because you think it's going to be like a hard, big task, right?
Yeah.
And then it's just a quick 30-minute drive.
Quick drive.
Oh, fun. Canal.
Yeah.
Nice. Not good for kayaking?
No, I
No.
don't want to kayak in the canal.
Oh, no? Why not?
Seen quite a few dead rats in it.
Oh, okay, fair, no.
Don't want to get a mouthful of that.
Anna does kayaking too, which is really cool.
I do whitewater kayaking, which I'm not the best at, but a bit of fun. And then I also do canoe polo, which is like rugby, football, and water polo, but in boats.
Canoe polo. That
Full
does
contact.
sound fun. Full contact?
Full contact.
With the oars?
Oh no,
Smashing your face?
You can just push people under.
Okay, wow, what?
After 300 yards, turn
That's
left.
where I did my
Oh, let's go
manoeuvre.
in. Go for it.
Oh,
Show us
no.
your manoeuvre.
Oh no. Okay.
Living the dream. We're going to the pub. Red Lion pub.
A bit busy.
It does look busy. Oh no, there's loads of space. Absolutely bags of it. What did you get? A reverse or forwards?
Forwards.
Forwards. Okay, give me a forwards park.
Forwards park. Okie dokie.
Look at that. That was slick. Made that look easy. Wow. That was slick AF. That was really good.
Good.
So now you see like what the standard of driving is where people pass their driving test. You can try and emulate it and get up to that standard or get up to that confidence.
Yeah.
A lot of it's got to be about confidence, right?
Yeah.
For sure. Let's reverse out and we can carry on. What do you think it was that gave you so much like driving confidence?
Both my instructors were really great because I was quite nervous to start off with.
Look at that observation.
right at the start. I didn't like it.
And what did they do to give you like less nerves and more confidence?
They just both had really great learning environments and were just really nice about it. And they let me do everything at my own pace rather than
Love that.
trying to get me past quickly.
Okay, some people want to pass quickly, but some people are more comfortable like going, yeah, not being pushed.
Yeah.
I kind of don't understand when pubs have car parks, because surely like you're drinking at the pub, why is there a car park? I guess you could go to the pub for a meal and a Coke. So did you find that you were nervous for your driving test?
I wasn't that nervous.
Were
no.
you not? Oh wow. Anna's just exuding uber cool. Oh my God, is this two-way traffic?
Yeah.
No. Oh no, we're going down here?
This is two-way as well on here.
Is that a road?
I don't know. I'm assuming so.
Wow. This is quite narrow, but that would be insane. But it does look like it's got nice views. I really still don't understand why people cuss Birmingham. When your parents found out you were going to Birmingham Uni, what did they say?
Well, they like it as well because my brother also goes.
Oh, okay.
So
fair.
does my cousin.
No way. You've got your whole family at uni in
Yeah.
Birmingham. Oh, that's really convenient. Are you all the same age, or is your brother left
My
now?
brother's 2 years older, and then my.
Oh, so he's left now.
No, he's still there. He was
Okay.
last year. My cousin's the same age.
Oh, that's sick. So your brother could show you around when you got there.
Yeah.
Nice. All of Anna's family are in Birmingham, so don't mess with her. This test route's so nice. Let's give it some scores on the
Turn
next
left,
road.
Then turn right.
I've made up my mind about the Shirley Driving Test Centre already. Oh, that was confusing. It said turn left, but it wasn't a left turn.
It wasn't a left
Well
turn.
done. You worked that out. Did it do that on your driving test too?
did.
Yeah. Shirley Driving Test Centre area's got to get a high mark. A really high mark. What do you reckon?
Yeah, I'd say so.
Yeah? Like 8, 9, 7?
7.
7. Anna's harsh.
That's the roundabouts.
The roundabout, oh yeah.
Right, we're not yet to reach the roundabouts.
Oh, they're more, okay, does it get harder than this?
300 yards,
Yeah.
turn
Okay.
right.
Wait to find out the harder stuff and then give it scores. Problem,
Problem.
Anna? What's the problem?
I don't know.
Problem.
Where's the problem?
It's very lucky you've already
Turn
got a
right.
driving licence. Do you know what the speed limit is?
It said 20 when the lights show. But the
Oh, did it?
lights weren't showing.
Okay, I thought it was just 20. No, it was 30.
Well, the lights weren't flashing, so.
Oh. I'll shut the hell up then. No, Francis, there's no problem.
I thought that on my test as well, but I was going like 26 on my test, so.
And he was fine.
It was
Okay.
fine.
I missed the bit when the lights show. I just thought it was 20. Oh, what a guy. The Birmingham people. He's just cleaning up the trash. Definitely wasn't his trash. I'm leaving Birmingham today. Quite sad about it. Yeah, I know.
Where are you off to next?
I'm going back home to London. Don't know where I'm going next, actually. I haven't planned anywhere next. Where should I go
We
next?
should go to Warrington.
Warrington,
There
yeah?
you
Would I enjoy it? Ooh,
go. Oh, sorry.
it's all right. Yeah, I actually don't know where I'm going to go next. Maybe you guys can vote in the comments where I should go to next. Let's start a comment thread for where I should go. Oh, that's dangerous. That was
It's a bit
dangerous.
silly.
That was mad. And also, if you know the pass rate, do you know the pass rate over here?
Yes.
What is it?
It's around 50%.
Okay, Anna's already told you the pass rate. But feel free to double up on Anna's pass rate and I'll pin your comment. Forever, that's the game. In every video. How do you know the pass rate?
I was doing research as to what test centre to do my test at.
Oh, and you picked it because it had a higher pass rate?
Yeah.
Interesting. I can see why it's got a higher pass rate. It's really easy to pass it.
Cross the roundabout and take the first exit.
If you could go back to the start and give Anna, who's never started learning to drive yet, one piece of advice, what would it be?
Trust yourself.
Oh yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
Why was that?
Because you
After 400 yards,
do more than you
cross
think
the
you can.
roundabout and
Nice.
take the
And then when you look
second
back at the
exit.
start, you realise how much you've done in such a short space of time.
Yeah. Definitely agree with that. Yeah, think back to like your first lesson when you were learning how to move and stop,
Yeah.
and now you're driving around. You actually don't need me
Cross
here,
the
right?
roundabout
Like,
and take the second exit.
you could drive a car on your own all the way to Warrington.
Oh, don't think I'll do that.
No? Oh, you
No,
could.
not up the M6.
What's wrong with the M6?
There was always traffic on it.
Okay.
One time I was coming down with my dad, a lorry went under a bridge that was too low for it.
No way.
And
Did
then
it smash into it?
spilt vegetables everywhere.
No way. Free veg.
After 400
So it took us like
yards,
4
cross
hours.
the roundabout and take the second exit.
Did you see it?
No.
Or it had already crashed into the bridge?
It already crashed. Would have been quite a cool watch though.
Oh, that is a bad day at work. Imagine. I'm going to be late for this delivery, boss. Why? I've smashed into a bridge and lost all
Spilled
your veg.
vegetables everywhere.
Cross the roundabout and take the second exit.
Oh, these roundabouts are fine. Not even busy. Was it busy on your test?
It was
though?
busy on my test.
Okay.
Yeah.
What time did you do your test?
I did it at 10:15.
Oh, okay. Busy at 10:15.
It's quite busy.
Yeah.
After 300 yards, cross the roundabout and take the second exit.
Okay.
Then you have reached your destination.
Area is lovely. We're going to give the area, I'm going to give it an 8. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, it, like the woods,
That's
the
fair.
animals,
Cross the
everything
roundabout
else.
And take the second exit.
So
Then
nice.
You have reached your destination.
Difficulty, it's not hard here either. Can I give it an 8 or do you think 7?
Oh, 7.5.
7.5 will meet in the middle because you don't like the roundabouts.
I was in
about-
second then, wasn't I?
Yeah, it's okay. Car was fine. And you've got a license, so like, really, like who
Doesn't
cares?
matter.
Who cares? The overall score that we'll give Shirley Driving Test Centre, how about, well, we have to give the test centre such a low score.
Yeah, it's a bit of a rubbish test
It's
centre.
a rubbish test centre. You have to go to BP for the toilets. What? No. But the examiners are really nice. The area's lovely.
After
The test
200
routes aren't
yards,
hard.
You have reached your destination.
What do you reckon?
Ooh, 5
5. Okay.
or 6.
5.5.
Yeah, I like my half numbers.
Anna's going to give Shirley Driving Test Centre a
You
5.5.
have reached your destination.
This was fun. I'd definitely come back here. I wouldn't mind taking a driving test here either. I bet you wouldn't mind either.
I've done it.
Yeah, don't lose your license. Don't do that.
Try
Don't
my
have to come back
best.
for a driving test. No speeding. So, that's the end. Thank you so much, Anna, for coming and
Thank you.
helping and showing us around your test route. If you're taking your driving test in Shirley or anywhere else for that matter, then you'll need my driving test tips playlist. It's got everything that you need to help you pass your driving test with least nerves, like Anna did. And if you want to see everywhere else that I've been on this exploration of England, click this one on my body and you'll see everywhere else that I've driven in all the weird and wonderful test centres. See you in the next one. Peace. Bye.
Bye.